So I want to give a brief explanation of the relationship between the IP addresses on the VMs, the virtual switch that you create in Hyper-V here, and the number of network cards that you have on the Hyper-V server. So I am going to clear all of this and show you my physical network on my Hyper-V server. So you'll notice on my Hyper-V server I have two network cards. One is the physical network card that I actually use for the server itself. So you notice this has an IP address of 88.100. And the other network card I am reserving purely for all of my VMs. And I only have one network card here for that purpose, but you could have 2 or 3 or how many you need that will fit on your server. But for this demo purposes, I have this one physical network card reserved for all of my VMs. So my virtual machines will all go through this network card, and you'll notice this network card has no IP address. The reason why is because all of the virtual machine traffic will go through this network card. So it's set up as a virtual switch within Hyper-V. And if I bring up Hyper-V and I click on Virtual Switch Manager, I could create a virtual switch here by picking which NIC I want as the network card where all the virtual machine traffic will go through. So let me click on the existing virtual switch that I have, and you'll see it uses this network card among the two that I have. So once you set that up, when you create a virtual machine, you will be prompted for what virtual switch you want to choose. So I am going to create a new virtual machine here, or at least go through the process and show you. So I'm going to click next, 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 up to the point where it asks me for the virtual network adapter, in which case I will choose my virtual switch, which actually uses the second of these two NICs, or Ethernet 3 that I have, the physical Ethernet 3 NIC that I have. So that is the relationship between the IP addresses here on each of these VMs. So once I set up the VMs and attach to that virtual switch, I, just like any other physical server, can assign IP addresses within each VM that can be different yet go through the same virtual switch, which goes through the same NIC. So that is the relationship here between the VM IP addresses, the virtual switch within Hyper-V, and the network card that we have on the physical machines. So I hope this helped, and thank you for watching.